If you're watching this, chances are you feel like you don't have time. No time for long workouts, no time for the gym, and no time to lie down on the floor and do endless crunches. But you still want to fix your belly fat, right? And also your side fat. You still want your waist to look tighter when you stand naturally. Today we are talking about belly fat, side fat, and around the waist area. And one simple exercise that works without jumping, without crunches, and without complicated routines. This is not about punishing your body, but this is about using the right movement so that your waist learns to hold itself naturally. My name is Natasha and I help people simplify fat loss so it fits into real life, especially when time is limited. Most people think they need intense workouts to change belly fat. They try fast routines, they try high impact exercises, they try floor workouts, but the truth is belly fat and side fat respond better to deep muscle control than random force. If you activate the right muscles around the waist, the body starts supporting itself differently. Your posture improves, your waist feels tighter, your midsection looks more controlled even when you are relaxed. And this is not magic, it is activation. And activation does not require an hour. It requires the right move done with focus. That's why today we are doing just one move, no equipment, no jumping and no crunches, no floor work. And it will take only a few minutes of focused time. Now let me ask you one thing, and I want you to answer honestly in your head and also in the comment section below. When you stand relaxed and stop sucking your stomach in, does your belly drop forward and your side fat become visible instantly? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments, and also let me know which country are you watching this video from. And if the answer is yes, then this video is definitely for you. Now let me show you this one simple move. For that we have to shift onto the bed. Let's do it. So now it's time for that simple move, but before that we need to loosen up our muscles a little so that we can do that exercise very well. And now for the loosening up exercise, you just have to touch your toes. It's so simple. Just do it along for at least 30 seconds. And you're already going to start feeling the stretch in your spine, your waist area, both your side fat and your belly fat. Well done. Now let's begin with that first simple move. For that you have to bend your knees like this, your shoulder width apart, same distance will be your legs, and keep your knees upright like this. Then join your palms like this and come forward. So simple and so effective. Here we're going forward, and the target area is the lower belly area. I'm sure you can feel the burn too. Just keep doing it along with me. Don't stop just yet. So good. You've already completed one round. Now let me show you the other side, for which we're going to go backwards. Now we're going to take it like this and go backwards. Same, absolutely position, just go backwards now. Let's do it together. Now we're going to go backwards like this. This is for your upper belly. Well done! Now that you've already able to finish the one simple move, I'd like you to graduate further and learn a little bit more advanced level so that you can get the full benefit of this one simple move. For that, I'm going to teach you this very move. Now again, you have to keep your knees upright. You have to join your toes and then you have to come forward. In the previous exercise, we were not joining our toes, but for now, we're going to join our toes, both our legs, and come forward. Like this. Slight variation, but a lot of difference. Keep doing it along. It's a very, very simple move, but slightly advanced than the previous one to give you even more benefits. Well done. Now we're going to take it forward like this, again with the same movement. Like this. Well done. Now let me know in the comments section where exactly did you feel the burn, because this exercise is one simple move to get rid of your belly fat and your side fat. So very well done. Now let's do a little cool down, for which we're going to do this. It's again a simple move. This is a simple cool down which you can do just to relax your muscles. There you go. I'm sure you enjoyed today's session. So if you have enjoyed today's session, don't forget to hit the like button on this channel and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're a family of almost 1.5 million subscribers, so let it grow and let more people reach this video and understand that simple exercises can lead to bigger results. You don't have to do strenuous exercises, take yearly membership of gyms. You can do this all in the comfort of your own home. And I'm here to support you. If you want to join my paid weight loss program, then you can click on the link given below in the description, from where you can connect with me, and I will be bringing on board a health counselor, a doctor and a dietitian just to understand your dietary routine, your daily food habits, and where exactly are you going wrong. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.